How to set up NiceHash QuickMiner fast. Step 1. Go to NiceHash website and register for an account. This is essential for receiving your Bitcoin payouts. Step 2. Make sure you end up with the same interface as shown. Step 3. Scroll down a little bit until you find this. Click Download Miner. Step 4. Choose your desired miner and download. Step 5. Run the downloaded exe file and follow the on-screen instructions. It will usually create a desktop shortcut. Step 6. Many antivirus programs, including Windows Defender, can interfere with mining software. It is highly recommended to add the NiceHash QuickMiner installation folder or the extracted folder if using the zip version to your antivirus exceptions. Step 7. When you run NiceHash QuickMiner for the first time, it will prompt you to enter your NiceHash mining address. Now, you can mine NiceHash.